actually redid my my Bible tabs because I fixed my thing and it's so much better with the laminator. There's no bubbles, so it looks really nice without with just the laminator. So yeah, the ironing doesn't really do a good job, so I'm doing it twice so that it's really sealed.
I think I can kind of
So this is how you remove the backing board for laminating, just the front. There, you just cut the bottom, cut the sides, and
your favorite.
so if you look at closely the sides, yeah, that's where you're gonna cut it. The transparent side to remove the front from the back.
I do need a dolly in that.
So I've removed all the corners. Here's the remnants. So now you could just peel off this. See, it just comes right off. So this is the cardstock with the other side of the laminate, and this is the front side that you want. This is the how you laminate. This is how you laminate Bible tab, and then you're gonna like run it again on the laminator just to make sure it's. It goes with this. I just remove this side. Now I gotta cut this side and this side, and it's just gonna pop right out. All the sides. Now you could just remove the back. The back piece just falls off. And then you can run this again on the. So now you have your tabs.
Well, the dew is still on the road.
So yeah, that's how you laminate the front of a sticker.